Okay, y'all, real quick. Snack, lunch, brunch, whatever. Slice of toast, ground beef, little salt, little pepper, little turmeric, little cinnamon powder, little paprika powder. Uh, I use Miracle Whip. There's a dollop of avocado, and I'll probably go ahead and put another slice of untoasted bread on top of here, and then slice it in half. Eat it up. Hi guys, my YouTube. Uh, if you're new, welcome. If you've been with me a minute, thank you for coming back. Welcome back. And my daughter is telling me I really need to update you all a bit better, more explicitly. I need to be stop minimizing how drastically dire things are for me, how much I'm pushing myself. Let me see if I can turn on the light real quick here. What I'm doing by myself, it should be at least 2 or 3 people. And I just want to see right quick if I can snatch this Band-Aid off. I filmed, yesterday, day before. Right now, I just put a little honey on here this morning. I put iodine on it when it happened and cleaned it off and put a Band-Aid on it. Band-Aid kept coming off. Guys, I know this is not selfie mode. I don't know if I'm cutting my head off, my chin off. I don't know. But hi, how y'all doing? Love y'all. I love y'all so much. I really do. Things are really dire. Okay, my daughter wants me to slow down. I'm trying to slow down. She wants me to stop using the manic part of my bipolar to push myself so hard like I've been doing. And she doesn't want me to lose another pound. She's not happy with the weight loss, which I haven't weighed myself again lately. As a matter of fact, I might go do that right now on video. Why not? But she's in Chicago, Illinois. I'm all the way in Kerrville, Texas. Little tiny town. Let me walk over here to I haven't got on my, this baby. I haven't got on my scale in a long time. Okay, things are so chaotic. I'm getting stuff out of Dolly, bringing stuff into this tiny apartment, my HUD apartment. Step on here right quick.
Body weight is 143.8 pounds. Body weight is 143.8 pounds.
Yeah, she not gonna like that. I was 155. I'm not really trying consciously, deliberately to lose weight. I'm strategically holding up the camera because the stuff I've bought in this tiny apartment. This right here, for example, guys, brand new, never opened. Hammock chair. I was hoping to enjoy it this summer. Assemble it and sit on it out by Dolly. My what I was referring to oftentimes as my paradise. I'm have to put my high tops on, but I need a bath. I need a bath, y'all. I need a bath. I need to soak my body. I need to soak. Miss my grandmother. I miss Blondie, my grandmother. Oh no, somebody's trying to call. Go away. Go away. It says suspected spam. Go away. Okay, somebody was trying to call. It says suspected spam. Hi, Celeste. Obviously, that's a long time ago. She's 51 now. And her daughter that she's holding is, 30. I don't know. And then my biological mother, Dolores Pryor. The only piece of art I have that I found. I may have something else packed up that she did. Anyway. So back to, I'm going to grab another slice of bread out of my bread box. Yeah, it's dark, y'all. I know. I'm in the kitchen without the bright light. Grab another slice of bread and put it on here, then slice it in half. I love all of y'all. Those of you who have been praying with me and all that. Like I said, I am going to make a better, hopefully more clear, concise video, really giving y'all the real deal scoop. She doesn't want me to keep pushing myself, breaking my neck. You know, I just paid yesterday $450 for the lot rent to the landlord. And like she said, as long as I'm paying rent, they see I'm working to clear it away like they want me to do. You know, I'm trying to sell the fences and everything. They want me to take down the fences and whatnot. So I know I just need to try to empty Dolly out. Well, I'm working on it, not try. I'm emptying Dolly out so I can clean it. I have a friend who cleans. I used to clean houses too. And she loves cleaning, and she's a good decorator. And once I get it all empty, you know, I know she'll help me put that on there. She will help me get it clean and pristine and put pictures on it and try to sell the sucker. Ideally, if I had someone who would let me move it to an off the beaten path piece of their property. I do have friends with acreage. None of them willing to sell me an acre or less. But if they would let me temporarily move Dolly to their location while I sell it, try to sell it, I would love to paint it. That was what I was hoping to do this summer, this year too. I was hoping to get up there eventually and give it a facelift on the outside, because I accidentally put some of that black tar stuff. I let it run down the sides and everything. Blah, 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 blah. It's 40 feet. Used shipping container. 32 feet of it is fully insulated. 8 feet toward the back, I call the garage for storage, is not insulated. It has a water heater back there. I forget how many gallons. I got to go look again. I haven't been paying attention to that stuff, that thing. And it's full. I have a dehumidifier back there that's almost like brand new, not used, but not been plugged up for over a year. I had something called a solar blaster cut into the roof back there, which has a solar operated fan that's supposed to suck hot air out. I have, at the same time, the gentleman who did that, he's a carpenter and certified, whatever. He does what he does with good skills and professionalism. I paid him to put the solar blaster in the roof, cut that hole through the steel, and I paid him to put 4 inflow vents along near the bottom area that's supposed to suck cooler air in. The top's supposed to be sucking hot air out. Dolly is going to be beautiful if I'm allowed, God willing, to at least do a little more work to it, even while I have the sale pending. You know, I haven't even listed it yet because it's not viewable yet. You know, the landlord wants me to hurry up and list it and sell it. And seriously, he's going to take, he told me, 1 year to 2 years to sell his 7 acres of his 20 plus whatever, however many acres he has. It's been in his family, over 50 years. He's going to take the next 1 to 2 years and then put that 7 acres up for sale for $1 million. That gives him a lot of time to make that 7 acres that he wants to sell, the income part, with houses that he has for rent and lot spaces like the lot he lets me use, which is like an RV lot hookup. And you know, it's a hookup to water, sewer, and electricity. Whew. I'll be back, y'all. Like I say, I love you. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Blessings. I'll be back. God willing. See you on the next video. Bye for now.